Today is salmon day at Knotty Wood. We have a nice big fillet of salmon here, and we are going to show you how easy and simple this is to do salmon. If you got salmon, Knotty Rub, beautiful on salmon. Knotty Wood pellets, we're going to use our plum pellets. It's a little sweeter smoke profile, a little more hint. Great on salmon. You're going to love this recipe. Super easy. We're just going to go ahead and trim off some of the stuff that we don't like on this thing here. We're just going to go along the edges. So I don't know if you know, like steelhead, salmon, those kind of proteins, they start to deteriorate when they go to spawn. Super simple, super easy. We got this fillet trim now. Set our knife down. We're going to take this Knotty Rub, but first we're going to put a little binder on it. We always like to use a good olive oil. We like the Cobra brand, amongst others. I'm just going to liberally put a little bit of this olive oil on. And I'm just going to move that around a bit with this here. Get it all over it. Super simple. That olive oil will not only act as a binder, but it also gives it really nice flavor. So, but always use a premium olive oil. Again, this is Cobra. It says estate on it. Estate meaning they grow the olives, they pick the olives, they put them in, which is a quality control and a quality issue. Now we're just going to take this Knotty Rub and we're going to go on to it. Just going to shake this on liberally. Move it around. If you like salmon, you will really like this recipe. This takes your salmon to that next level that you just can't believe. It's so good. Now, why are we using Knotty Rub? Well,
because Mama says Knotty Rub is what got me into school. A Knotty Rub is what got me into school.
Okay, so we're ready to go on to the barbecue. We're preheated here at 400 plus. We're just gonna take this. Okay, here we are we're gonna go on to our pellet smoker. Today we're cooking with the Woodwind Pro. We've got our plum pellets in here. We're at 400 degrees. We're ready to go. We're just gonna slide that baby on, make a little boat out of it. Now, good idea. Have yourself some lemon wedges to squeeze onto that through the cook. 20 to 30 minutes. This thing will be done. It'll be absolutely beautiful. We're getting really close here. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of lime juice on this here. Then we'll open it up. We'll see how cooked up we are with it here. Super simple with the foil. You're off. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on that. All right, 25 minutes later, here we are. It's done. We're done all the way through in the middle. You can still see the retained moisture in this. Lots of moisture. It's done. It's flaky. It's moist. It's delicious. Again, Knotty Rub. Can't go wrong with this recipe. Super simple. Hit it on the pellet smoker using the plum pellets, and you can't go wrong. If you like this video, hit the like button on the bottom. Share it with your friends. Comment on this. Tell us what you'd like to see, and we'll see you on the next round. Happy grilling.
She's showing fun when we grab it.